Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. I'm here with Carlito, my sidekick, and Carlito and I today are going to take you to Morocco without leaving the comfort of your own home. So come and follow us, and we are making chicken tagine today. Let's check out the ingredients, Carlito. I have 4 chicken thighs bone in. I have in my pot here. You can use a brazier. A brazier is like a medium-sized deep skillet with steel handles, kind of like a cast iron Dutch oven, not as deep. But I have my stainless steel pots that I'm using, so let me show you. All we're doing is browning one side, okay guys? I just want to show you real quick before I show you the ingredients. You see that? So we're only going to brown one side. Okay guys, so now we have our chicken cooking. We're going to check it. Ooh, the lid gets hot. Perfect. Let's check the bottom of our chicken. All right, it's still working. Still needs about probably a couple minutes. So let's let it cook. Let's let it cook. Remember guys, when you're cooking chicken and it's skinned down, always remember if you try to lift it and it's stuck and you can't turn it, it's not ready to turn yet. Because you will end up with chicken and your skin will end up at the bottom of the pan.
I've never had this before, so I'm excited to try it.
Yeah, it's delicious. It's very savory. It's just so delicious. So we have a little bit of our skin here at the bottom. That's okay. Got our little chicken here. Check that out. So we're going to put that only one side. I only browned one side. We still have a little bit of skin in there, and that's quite all right. So we're going to use all this deliciousness. And we are going to drop in some onions. You want to bring them over, Carlito?
Yeah.
Bring the onions and drop them in. This is where the beauty begins, guys. So I'm going to grab my spatula. I'm using a steel pot, so I have to have a handle because it gets very hot. Ooh, look at that. Oh, how does that smell? Ooh. We're going to put our garlic in there, guys. Our garlic. Oh my goodness, how does that smell?
It smells delicious.
It's starting to smell really good.
Yeah.
Really delicious. Ooh, all that little bit of skin you see there and all that, it's all flavor, you guys. It doesn't matter. It's all flavor. Remember, if you had a Moroccan tagine right now, that wouldn't happen. So we don't have one, so we are going to... Oh, it smells so good, doesn't it, Carlito?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're going to add our spices. We have a teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Love the color, love the taste. Teaspoon of ground ginger, and a teaspoon of coriander. There we go. I'm going to stir that up. Now we're going to start smelling that fragrant. We're going to start smelling. It's going to be so fragrant, you guys. Oh my goodness gracious, it smells good.
Oh my god, yeah.
Now we are going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of our Moroccan red chili sauce. Oh my gosh. You can buy the spicier one. I buy the mild for the family.
Yep.
So delicious. So nice. 2 heaping tablespoons. Love it. I'll put a little bit more. Here you go, my dear. Thank you, my love. So you guys know that for those of you that have had harissa, it is so delicious. Oh God. It's yummy, you guys. It's going to start smelling amazing in here in a minute. I think it already does, so.
Yes, definitely.
Doesn't it? I'm going to squeeze half a lemon in there. That half lemon, Carlito? Like I taught you, sweetheart. Make sure you squeeze it like this so the seeds fall in your hand and the juice will go through your fingers.
Okay.
Okay? Yep. Yes, sir. So
It's
Carlito
hot.
is going to squeeze lemon. It's hot. Yeah, we're in the kitchen.
Yes.
Make sure you keep seeds in your hand.
I am.
Got it?
Strong. There we go.
All right. Okay.
I got it.
Thank you, Carlito. We'll throw that away, honey.
Yeah.
So now we got our little half a lemon juice in there. Now we are going to grab our delicious chicken stock. 4 cups of chicken stock. Ooh, wait, that's beautiful. Or look at the color. Look at the color of the turmeric. Look at that color, you guys. Wow. Is that color amazing, Carlito, or what? Look at that color. Yeah. With that tiny bit of turmeric that we use. Just half a teaspoon. Wow. All right, so I'm going to keep showing you guys in the pot. So watch. I'm going to get a cup of olives. Yum. Nice. Yum. The brininess of the olive with the red pepper. Oh, my God, so good. So now, guys, we are going to grab, Carlito's going to grab our bowl. Here, Carlito, I want you to try it. You want to try it?
Yes, I do.
Don't splatter it in the, please don't splatter it. Drop it in, don't splatter it. Okay. With the skin side up, please. Hold it hard. Yeah, hold it hard.
Hold it hard.
Teaching Carlito. All right, just don't drop it in. Put it in slowly, yes. Okay, go ahead. Don't be afraid.
I'm not.
Take it out, that's perfect.
I'm a man.
Oh, okay. There you go. Sorry. Okay, go ahead. Hurry up.
Okay.
Okay, make sure you keep the skin side up, okay?
Skin is up.
Yeah, skin is up. He's doing a great job. Don't you guys think he's doing a great job?
Yes.
Carlito is doing an excellent job.
I'm a chef, guys.
Let's go. Chefs have to hurry up.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Okay. I got this.
Go ahead. So, like you see, some of the skin was missing. It doesn't matter, guys.
Yes. It
really
still
taste
delicious.
Yes. Okay, come on, Carlito. Last one. Mm-hmm. Put it in there. Okay. Perfect. All right. Okay, so I'll take. You can put this in the sink. You can just pour it in there. That's fine. You can put this in the sink.
Okay.
This too.
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to. Now, guys, I'm going to organize this, and I'm going to show you. That's why I had said to use either a braising pan, which is all stainless steel, something you can put in the oven. We're going to put this in the oven at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. But before we do that, we are going to toss our lemons in there.
My favorite.
Yum.
This is my favorite lemon.
Yum. Yum. Let me just keep saying it. Yum. Come on, Carlito, help me out. Yum.
Yum. Yum.
Yum. So our cilantro is going to be for garnish, guys. Look at this, you guys. How beautiful is that? What did you guys think? How easy was that to put together? And boy, does it smell delicious in here. See, sometimes you don't even need to leave the comfort of your own home to travel with us. And we have all sorts of beautiful and delicious recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe.
Yes.
And don't forget the bell, so that way you don't miss any episodes. I have lots, beautiful episodes. At least we believe so.
Yeah.
And the dishes have been delicious. We even had the 12 days of cookies last year.
Yeah.
So far I have like 104 videos, so I'm really working my way up. So now, guys, I'm going to put this in the oven, in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go.
So now we're baking.
So you're probably, yes, we are. So you guys are probably wondering what we are going to accompany this with. And I've made with chicken stock, I made some couscous with chicken stock, whichever couscous you decide to buy, the ingredients, the directions for couscous, the ratio is always 1-to-1, which means a cup of liquid to a cup of couscous. So we got some beautiful chicken couscous made with chicken base. And 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. When we come back, guys, 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, that beautiful chicken tagine will be ready. We'll serve it over a bed of couscous, and we are going to plate and taste. How easy was that? We went all the way to Morocco, and it didn't even take us an hour. Amazing, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so stay with us. We'll be right back, and you don't want to miss it, you guys. We'll be right back. Hey guys, me and Carlito are back, and we're getting ready to take our chicken tagine out of the oven. I don't know if I said that right. Tagine. Yeah.
Tagine.
1 second, guys. I'm coming. Oh my God. Look at how crispy that is. Chicken thighs, the skin. Look at that. I'll do a close-up. You see that? So guys, I don't like chopping cilantro because it takes away from the beauty of it. So I'm just going to get some cilantro leaves. And we're going to garnish on top. Oh, you know, a little sprig in there. That's okay. Just take it out. It smells amazing, you guys.
Incredible.
So now, Carlito, we're going to plate, okay? I'll grab my little spoon here for our delicious, fluffy couscous.
Yes.
We're going to make a little bit of couscous. Let me just lower this so everybody can see me plating. Grab some couscous on our beautiful bamboo plate. All right, look at that. Grab some couscous, guys, right there.
Let me grab us some spoons for tasting. Spoons or forks?
Forks are fine, yeah. Forks are good. Beautiful couscous. Look at that bed of couscous, you guys. Wow. All right, so now we are going to, we need an extra spoon. Carlito, we need an extra spoon, sweetheart. We'll just use this one. That's fine. Now we're going to grab our chicken tagine. Oh my God, look at that. Ooh, my goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
I know.
We've got to grab sauce. We got to grab sauce and olives. Oh my God. That one took off. That's okay.
We got to clean that up later.
That olive took off. Yeah, that's all right. Get some fresh cilantro. I love to present it with a lemon. There's another one that took off. That's all
They're
right.
running away.
Hey, Carlito. I think I hear the chairman of the board coming. Somebody's coming. Oh, hey, honey.
What's up, everybody?
Hi, honey.
How y'all doing? Ooh.
Some beautiful chicken tagine.
Looks great.
Isn't that beautiful?
That looks great, babe.
Look at that, you guys. How beautiful
Awesome.
is that?
Thank you.
So, guys, look who arrived. Chairman of the board is here.
What's
Look
up,
over there,
everybody?
honey.
What's up?
Hey, so he's here to taste, so we're all going to taste now. Look at how delicious and crispy
Looks
this
great.
is. All right, so we're going to let the chairman of the board go first, Carlito.
Oh, thank you.
We got a little beautiful lemon. Let me get a piece of chicken, honey. Get some chicken, too. Hang on, Carlito. Carlito's hungry. Yeah, go ahead, Carlito.
Okay, so
That's good.
hold this for me, please, ma'am.
Get
That's
a
real
little
good.
piece. Get a tiny piece.
I'm trying
Love
to
it.
get a
You're
tiny
going to
piece
knock
here.
the whole thing down.
Oh,
That's a
that's a big piece.
Get a small piece, Carlito.
Can you help me?
Okay, just pull. I'm also watery right now. Jeez, my God.
Okay.
Here's an olive, honey, with chicken. Try another one. My mouth is watering.
That's real good, babe.
Oh my gosh, let me try this, guys.
It's hot. It's really hot.
You did a real
My
good job
olive.
on that.
I gotta get an olive. Okay.
Love it.
Hot, hot.
If
Take
you
your
if you close your eyes, guys, you can imagine yourself in the middle of the Moroccan desert eating this. Oh my God, this is delicious.
Smell it all the way from the bedroom.
So lemony. You can taste that cinnamon and that, like I had mentioned, the turmeric. But be careful, guys, because turmeric, you got to put very little because it goes a long way. It gives a beautiful color, and I love that turmeric taste. Turmeric is actually good for your health. You know that, honey? Oh, you took my olive. Give me that olive.
I'll take your olive. Sorry.
Thank
It's okay. No, give it to Daddy,
No,
Carlito.
there's more.
There's more here.
Yeah.
We're fighting over this chicken tagine.
Yeah. That's how good it is.
Just trying to get my chicken.
You outdid yourself again, babe. You really did.
That is delicious, honey.
Real
You
good.
guys, this is so delicious. All right, Carlito, give me your fork. Back up.
Stove top, yum yum.
Back up, Carlito.
Real good.
So, guys, as you can see how beautiful this dish is, how I took you all to northern Africa and Morocco to make this chicken tagine, how easy it was. It took less than an hour. Always remember, you guys, it doesn't matter what you're cooking or what you're making, as long as you always incorporate your two main ingredients, which are, Carlito?
Passion and love.
That's right. If you incorporate passion and love in all your dishes, your dish will not fail. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't care who you are. Your dish will not fail. And guys, make sure you visit us at stovetopyumyum.com. We have these beautiful aprons that it's all homegrown, made by us. We have our passion and love t-shirts. We have our chairman of the board. Amazing, you guys. And don't forget, we still have our promo code up. Stovetop will save you 10% off your entire order. So don't miss it. Don't forget. And make sure, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button and don't forget the bell.
That's right.
That way you can follow us on any episode that comes up. It will let you know, you guys. And you guys, me and my family, as I always say, wish from the heart as I always say, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, you guys. Bye.